help Pakistan in arriving at a deal with IMF is most gratifying, and I, on behalf of the government of Pakistan and the people of Pakistan, would like to thank him and through you convey him my deepest gratitude and sincere thanks, because without this and without Saudi Arabia's support and China's support, we wouldn't have been there. Finance Minister Isaac Dar, who's here, has been very helpful in finalizing all details along with this team. Today we have signed MOU, and this is a landmark MOU. This deals with energy and more so renewable energy, i.e. solar and wind power. This is a great opportunity, my brother, between Pakistan and UAE, and we are ready to make very professional presentations in this behalf to our UAE brothers and UAE companies for investment in this field. We have made a plan which is now ready to attract investments in a project having the capacity of 10,000 megawatts of solar energy. This is a great win-win proposition. And then also in windmill projects, and we have wonderful sun rays in Pakistan, in different parts, in Balochistan, in Punjab, and very wonderful, windows in the province of Sindh, and of course KP. So I think today we have signed these MOUs, and we will convert these MOUs into agreements and then implement these with lightning speed and commitment. Thank you very much once again for your visit. Last thing, I will not allow your plane to take off without visiting the mountains of Murray, where I will be very happy to play host to you. Either we have dinner there or lunch. Yani al-ghada أو عشاء أو صباحا أي رايك راي لكن ليس ممكن ارجع يعني بدون
Thank you so much.
شكرا
Thank you
جزيلا.
so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much, Your Excellency, for your warm welcome, your hospitality, and your kind words. I must start first by truly conveying His Highness Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan's high respect and great appreciation to your good self, your Honorable Prime Minister, and to your government and to the people of this great country. The UAE and Pakistan have always enjoyed a very special relationship. This has been always a great partnership, and we have always been told by our leadership in the United Arab Emirates that we always have to emphasize the importance of this relationship by identifying new avenues of cooperation and partnership. I am here today as the COP28 President-designate. I was given the opportunity by your good self, Your Excellency, and your esteemed colleagues in the government, and Her Excellency, the Minister of Climate Change and Environment and Ecology, to give you a quick overview on our holistic, comprehensive approach on how are we going to ensure that COP28 becomes a true step change, whereby we jointly with like-minded partners provide course correction and ensure that we develop a comprehensive action plan that is results-oriented and action-driven. It is a very important year at COP28. It is the first global stocktake. We want to make sure that based on the science of climate, we develop a good and a deep understanding of the gaps in order for us to develop the right and necessary solutions that will help advance our agenda. Of course, as the host country, We promise to provide all the enabling space and environment, as well as the mechanisms and the tools to ensure that all parties conduct the process in the most sophisticated and professional manner to help advance the agenda across all climate pillars, whether it's mitigation, adaptation, loss and damage, and finance. It is our promise and it is our determination as the COP28 presidency to deliver a COP of action, a COP of inclusivity, and a COP for all. We will include everyone and we will make sure that we leave no one behind. I thank you, Your Excellency, for giving me the opportunity to be a witness to this very important MOU today. This marks a good step in the right direction, and it is also based on the directives, the clear directives and guidance of His Highness the President, in order for us to ensure that we develop a renewable energy portfolio in partnership with your great country and our counterparts here in Pakistan. Thank you, Your Excellency.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
पाकिस्तान और मुत्तहदा अरब अमारात के दरमियान काबिल तजदीद तवानाई के शोबे की यादाश्त पर दस्तखत की तकरीब थी, जिसमें वज़ीर आज़म ने भी खिताब किया। वज़ीर आज़म ने कहा कि हर मुश्किल वक्त में UAE ने पाकिस्तान का साथ दिया है।